Thank you, dear friends. I am Tutor Cletus Okoli. In today's math class, we have Surds lesson 8, the 8th lesson that we are doing under Surds. And in today's question that we shall be solving, which I want you to watch till the end and see how we can solve it step-by-step approach until we get the correct answer. It is not going to take your time, so we have it. Without using tables, simplify ln square root of 216 minus ln square root of 125 minus ln square root of 8. Everything divided by 2 into bracket open Ln3 minus Ln5. Then close the bracket. Let us dive in immediately so that we do not take your time. By solution, I have it. I want to make the square root signs to be in power form. That means square root of 216 will now be written as 216 raised to power half. They are the same thing. So doing that at the numerator, what I am going to get is ln 216 raised to power half minus ln 125 raised to power half minus ln 8 raised to power half. I have now changed the square root signs to be in power form, that is raised to power 1 over 2. And at the denominator, I will still have what I am given 2 into Ln3 minus Ln5. We move on into the second step. We have taken the first step. In second step, I want to make the numbers inside the bracket to be in index form. That means 216 will be written as 6 raised to power 3 because it is 6 times 6 times 6. So if I multiply 6 3 times, I will get 216. So I will do the same thing to 125, which is 5 raised to power 3. 5 times 5 times 5. And the 8 will be 2 raised to power 3. 2 times 2 times 2 will give me 8. Doing that, I will now get ln 6 raised to power 3, then raised to power half, minus ln, okay, then I have 5 raised to power 3, then raised to power half, minus ln 2 raised to power 3, also raised to power half. Everything all over 2 into Ln3 minus Ln5. So what I have done now is that I have expressed the values I have inside the brackets to be in index form, and that is beautiful. You can also see by product law of indices that if I have 2 raised to power 2, everything outside the bracket raised to power 3, it is 2 raised to power 2 times 3, which is equal to 2 raised to power 6. In other words, it means that I will use the power inside the bracket to multiply the power outside the bracket. So that is what I will apply now at the numerator, and that means 3 will multiply half. 3 here will do the same thing in the brackets, leaving me with ln 6 raised to power 3 over 2 minus ln 5 raised to power 3 over 2 minus ln 2 raised to power 3 over 2, all divided by 2 into Ln3 minus Ln5. Good. Now, watch with me in indices. Power function law says that if I have ln, okay, x raised to power, or in logarithms rather, x raised to power n, that it is equal to n ln x. That is the law we have in logarithms. Alright, I will apply it here. Watch out and see how it will now be. 3 all over 2 ln 6 minus 3 all over 2 ln 5 minus 3 all over 2 ln 2. Everything divided by 2 into Ln3 minus Ln5. That is what I have. So I have applied the power function law in logarithms here. Okay, next I will have, you can see that in all the expressions at the numerator, I have 3 over 2 behind them. Therefore, I can factor 3 over 2 outside. And when that happens, what you will see me have is something that looks like this, 3 over 2 factored out, okay, leaving me inside the bracket with it, ln 6, okay, minus Ln5 minus Ln2. Everything still divided by 2 into Ln3 minus Ln5. That is what I have now left. Okay, you can see this Ln6, I can write it as Ln3 times 2. Okay, and that will now result to become Ln3 plus Ln2. Okay, so I am going to change this Ln6 to become Ln3 plus Ln2. That is Ln3 times 2, now expressed as Ln3 plus Ln2. And when I do that, I am going to have something that will look like this: 3 over 2 into Ln3 plus Ln2, gotten from Ln6. Then I still have Ln5 minus Ln2, everything divided by 2 into Ln3 minus Ln5. See, at the numerator inside the brackets, I have Ln2 plus and I have minus Ln2. Two of them can cancel out. That is Ln2 minus Ln2 will cancel out. So this and this will now give me 0. I will be left with 3 over 2 into Ln3, then minus Ln5. And at the denominator, I have 2 into Ln3, then minus Ln5. Okay, you can also see, as I am seeing on the board, that what we have at the numerator inside the bracket is exactly what we have at the denominator inside the bracket. So two of them can now cancel out, okay? And we will be left with 3 over 2 divided by 2, which can be written as 3 over 2 times 1 over 2 equal to 3 over 4. Final answer. Thank you. As I promised you that the video is not going to take long, give me thumbs up, share my videos, and then if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel as a way of supporting me. Our final answer is 3 over 4. God bless you. Bye.
Na mbụ agwara m mmadụ